right, let's start switching things up. For those of you who are just getting in or just watching, good morning. It's 9:33 a.m. It's a beautiful morning. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Took this trade this morning on my futures account, so very happy about that. Oops, very happy about that. This is a mock-up. Didn't actually take this trade, and then this I was waiting for it to play out my way. Didn't really do that. So far we have one trade. But if I'm looking at other stuff this morning, in terms of, like, I'll give you an example. Let's get at an NQ real quick. If I'm looking at other things this morning, actually, let me see what happened to SPX. Oh, did it give me what I want? A little different. But if I'm looking at SPX this morning, all right, not SPX, sorry, other things this morning, I can see GPUSD. We didn't really mark that up. Yeah, Euro JPY. So for example, Euro JPY is just in a place right now where it doesn't make sense for me to get in. I would have to wait for it to get back to some other zones that seem more likely for me in order for me to get in. I could start taking stuff towards the downside, but it doesn't really make sense to me. So I am not going to do that. What's wrong with my stream? Is my stream working? Okay, there you go. Good morning. What's good, Ryuzaki? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? I just took this trade on my futures account, but I didn't take it on here because we're trying to stick to the 4 pairs that we choose. And also, I won't lie, the setup was a little sus for me, so I didn't want to take it on our main account. How you doing though? Had a great weekend? I had a great weekend. The account is right here, guys. By the way, just so you guys can see, I didn't take any trades. We're still at the same spot. All right. We might find a trade today. We may not. We're going to be patient. Recently, Mondays have been a little weird for me. So, like I said, I only took this trade here on my futures account and didn't take it on our main account because, one, we're trying to trade Forex for this challenge, so I'm not trying to include indices. And then number 2, with this, I needed the spreads and everything in the ticks to be like to the T. So I didn't want to risk taking anything that was sus. But in the meantime, we can take a look at some other pairs. All right, so for example, look at GBP CHF. It's just like in the floor right now. It's heading back down to these levels. So it's not a great setup for me. AUD JPY has kind of broken above here, but then it's kind of giving us lower lows and lower highs now. So you're done for the day and can be picky, right? Yes, sir. Raizaki, shout out to you, bro. The fact that you just know these things and pay attention to these things, that's fire, bro. Fire in the chat for you, bro. That is absolutely fire. That's correct. Now that I've taken a trade, I can be picky because I have one setup that already played out. So I don't have to be super aggressive. You see what I'm saying? So the one for... I'm trying to see if this one is going to hit on 1 to 5. This is the area that I predict price is going to go down to. So I'm just trying to see if that's going to happen with gold. But you can see here my position was right here. My take profit, sorry. So yeah, we can, I mean, look at things like AUD JPY. You can see here that, like, you know, there's a little gap right here that price kind of respected is pushing towards the downside, right? So price has essentially gone up, then down, and then up some more. So we might be expecting a retracement towards the upside on the long term. But in terms of short term, I can see here we have bearish structure right here. Okay. So, you know what I mean? I might be able to grab something there, but it's not appealing to me, to be quite honest. Adib said, hey, what's good, Adib? What's good, what's good? Javier, what's up, brother? Adib said, bro, I saw there was a giveaway. Can anyone enter the giveaway? I didn't. Fauci said, what's good, Fauci? I didn't do a giveaway just... Oh, okay. He took that back. Okay, cool. But yeah. Bro, I saw there was a giveaway. Can anyone enter the giveaway? There's no giveaway just yet. I have 2 giveaways I'm going to be doing. One because we hit 100. Well, it's 1. But I'm going to do it in 2 stages. There was one time where a bunch of people stayed with me on live for like a good half an hour after I was supposed to be done. And they just rock with me the whole time. Even though I was like, guys, get off so I can close. So I put them on a list to be priority. But I'm also going to be doing 100 because we hit 100 members on Discord. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway for that as well. All right. So Adib, just stay tuned. I promise when I'm doing the giveaway, I'll announce it. You'll have enough time. All right. But Adib said, what's up? What's up, Adib? What's up? What's up? Hope you guys are having a great morning, guys. Those of you who just joined, I took this trade on my futures account. Okay. So I'm already good for the day. I didn't take it on our main account because I needed the spreads and everything to be like to the T. And as you can see, you know what I mean? If this was a regular trade with spreads, I probably would still be in this trade. So that's why I took it here. It was a quick scalp. It literally, what was it? 1, 2. Guys, I'm sorry, 1 second. Bro, am I tripping or is there a fly in here? How the heck did a fly get in here? Bro, I'm sorry, guys. Anyhow, so yeah, we took this trade. Trying to see what happens with gold. But guys, you never know. We might still get another nice entry, another nice position. Sarthak said, can we buy AUD/JPY from the 1 hour order block? Don't trade order blocks, but I could take a look at it for you. Okay. I mean, here's the thing. Okay. I'm expecting some sort of retracement because price went up, then down, and then up, gave us a higher high, and now it's doing this. So we can, there's, you know, a couple areas you can get in right here, which is what I think you're looking at, or probably down here, one of these two. Okay, we can get in from here, or we can get in from down there. Okay, but that would be your choice. I personally am not getting into any buys at this time. Okay, it's not really an order block, if I'm being honest. This is more of a demand zone than an order block, because we have a what you would call a, from what I understand, a rally, then a little bit of a base, and then a rally. So this to me is more of a demand zone, but it's entirely up to you what you think. But this would be my first level that I would anticipate price, you know, reacting to. And look how big this gap is. This gap is massive. And when I see stuff like this, I just leave it alone. I don't like gaps that large, to be quite honest. But then you can also wait for down here. This would be a much better, where we at right here. This would be much better in terms of if you want to get in for like a bit of a sniper. But would I anticipate that this would come all the way down here and then break these highs? I don't think so. I think we might get a nice retracement probably to about right here, and then we might actually continue downwards. So we'd have to wait and see. All right, but that's AUD/JPY. I feel early. K-Dot, yes, you are early. K-Dot, if you just got here, I took this trade on my futures account, okay? So I already have a trade for the day. I didn't take it on our main account. This trade I didn't actually take. I was just trying to see how it played out, because it was from what I was looking at, I'm like, you know what, this, I just have a feeling like when it was getting like pushing down here, I'm like, this might be it. So I just hopped in on a paper trade. Didn't take this trade. The live account that we're trading is right here. Not the live account, the challenge account. All right, so the balance is still the same, guys. I haven't touched nothing. Every time I trade on this, you guys will be here to witness. All right, I'm not one of these shady guys who are gonna do things behind the scenes and be like, oh, look what I did. Nah. You guys gonna watch me do this every time in real time. Alrighty, so this hit a 1 to 5, which is nice. Could have taken it, but I don't trust gold, even though gold is on one of the lists for us. All right, so we have AUD/JPY. I'm gonna be going down. Caramel said, I'm early too. Good day, fam. What's good? Carmelo, what's good? Carmelo, if you just got here, I was just explaining to everybody else. I took this, I'm already here. I took this trade on my futures account. So I needed the spreads and stuff to be, right? Like futures has no spread. So I need the ticks to be like to the T. And as you can see, if I was trading this on our main account here, this one here, I would still be in the trade. So as Raizaki rightfully mentioned, since I've already taken one trade for the day, I could be picky for today. I literally can. I don't have to rush into nothing. I could just chill. Keda said, what's up? Adib said, what's up to Keda? And Carmel said, let's get this money. Absolutely, brother. Yes, sir. Gonna get this money. We're gonna see if we can find other setups, guys. Okay, I already kind of did a scan in the market. I'm not too thrilled with what I'm seeing, to be honest. Right, I can always look for stuff to take towards the downside here, but they're all sketchy because price has already broken all the structure, right? Look, we were literally making lower highs and lower lows, right? Oops, my thing froze for a second. All right, so we're just kind of like forming bear structure. Then we started breaking up here, and now we're going towards this side, right? So even though this could be a bit of a retracement to somewhere up here, it's still bullish for the meantime. I'm not gonna be touching anything up here at all. It's disrespecting bearish gaps. I'm gonna leave that alone. So and plus your AUD is not even on our list. On our list, guys, we have these 4 pairs that we're trading. We have my favorite one, okay, This I just love this pair. And then AUD-JPY is the next one. GBP CHF, and then last but not least the Widowmaker. These are the pairs that we're trading, guys. Those are the 4 pairs that we're trading. So I'm trying not to venture out to anything else because it might skew our results. You see what I'm saying? So GJ came into our zone that we marked up a while ago, pushed down, came back in there, pushed down, came back in here, is pushing down again. I'm not touching that. I need to see some decisive action. Either you're going to plummet and start breaking these lows right here, and then I can start looking into continuation sells, or you're going to, you know, go back up this way, and then I can start looking for buys if necessary. So you guys, you have to be patient, all right? You guys saw all the dumb trades that I've taken so far were all from being impatient. There are trades that I should not have taken. I should not have taken. I'm not touching this either, no matter how it plays out. There are certain things I look for, and I told myself this week I'm going to do my best to be disciplined in front of you guys, because last week I'm like, yo, we need to pass this challenge. And I started taking dumb trades. And so right now I think we're 3 for 5. You see what I'm saying? It's just not a great record when we should be like either 3 for 4 or 3 for 3. No lie. If I didn't take those 2 dumb losses, we'd be on fire. Anti-Psycho said, afternoon, guys, was good. It's 3 p.m. here. Shout out to you. It's morning over here. So you know what? You know what? It's morning over here, brother. Morning. So, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, brother. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at, bro? There we go. It's morning over here. So good morning, everybody. Good morning, all my lovely people. Shout out to everybody in the Foreign Money family. And good morning to all you lovely pineapples out there, man.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, people. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful morning and weekend. Or not weekend, sorry. Weekday. Hope the start of the weekend is good for you guys. I know my weekend was pretty nice. Can't lie. I had a great weekend. Really great weekend. And on Sunday, I got to chill. You guys, I was going to go live on Sunday, you know, to game with you guys. But then my wife had her own thing going on, so I had to help her out with that. So maybe next weekend we can game. All right, guys, let's take a look at some other setups here. See what we can find. All the stuff is reacting to the zones that I marked up, which is nice. But only one of them gave me a solid entry. What's going on over here? Oh, there you go. Even gold. Oh, wait, did gold hit TP? Yeah, it did. So even gold is giving us a nice... I mean, a nice push. But the reason why I was scalping this only and not really looking for anything continuous towards the downside is because price has been reacting very strongly to this zone. Even though we can see that price is slowly, you know what I mean, doing this, it's still reacting very strongly to this zone. So what I'm anticipating just because of this is that we might get something like this, right? Like it's going to continue to do this, and then eventually, you know how it is, eventually it's going to do this. Now, sometimes, especially if this is indices, you might get something like this and then something like that. You guys have seen this happen a million times on this live. So, guys, we got to be patient. We got to look for proper setups. We are not going to rush it today. We're going to see what we can get. All right. GBP USD. I don't even know why I still have this on my list. I don't like this pair at all. I've never traded it, and I don't plan to trade it. It's an awful pair in my opinion. Shout out to everybody who trades it, though. You're a better man than me, that for sure. I don't like GBP USD at all. At all. All right, so as you guys can see, this is our record so far. 3 for 5. We're up $36.61. Just so you guys can see, I didn't touch the account today and pretend like I traded. Here's where we're at. All right, guys, I didn't touch nothing. Everything is still the same. Alrighty, so we're just going to be patient, guys. We're going to have to wait for some things to play out. So let's take a look and see what we can deduce from what's going on here. Price has kind of swept this high, but it wicked, so I'm not too convinced about that. Usually when I see stuff like that, it tells me that price actually might be going towards the downside. So let's see if we can start finding some gaps that we may not take physically, but we can probably mark out for illustration purposes. All right, we have a couple gaps. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of gaps right there. Price already tapped into those. And as of right now, price hasn't really given us any other gaps, so we're just going to have to wait it out. That's all for EURJPY. Vance said, hi, man. What's good, Vance? Yona Yield say, yo, what's good, Yona Yield? What's good? Hope you guys are having a lovely day. I've already taken a trade this morning. I took this one on my futures account, so I'm blessed. I'm going to be looking at other opportunities just to see. GBP CHF is vomiting right now. It's sick. It needs some Motrin. It needs some medicine. It needs some milk. It's just absolutely in the floor as of right now. So you know what I mean? Like I could take some positions up here, maybe wait for some to retrace up here. But guys, to be honest, I won't even want to touch that. Won't even want to touch that. Maybe we should just wait to see what happens at this level. So let me put an alert here. Okay. Price has tapped into demand zone. I can't tell you the last time I traded a demand setup. It's been a long time. I used to love supply and demand, bro. It just seemed like the way supply and demand used to move it just seemed like, bro, this was the holy grail. But as you start to understand how the market moves, you can find better entries than that. And what I was doing with supply and demand is I wouldn't even wait for confirmation, nothing. Second price gets in here, that's it. That's it. Stop loss right here, TP right here. I aim for whatever I aim for. That's it. That's literally how I was trading. And I can't tell you how many times price would, because you're always going to get a reaction. Get a nice reaction and then boom. Right? So, not fun. Not fun. AUDJPY. We have oil. Excuse me. Oil is, as you guys can see, oil has, man, we've marked the life out of these charts. Oil has been moving towards the upside, steadily moving towards the upside, and it's now making its way towards this. Okay? So, maybe I should mark it out and put that this is a 4-hour gap. Let's see. Let's see if we can find something within this gap, guys. We're going to try and do some aggressive trading here, except this time I'm going to put 4H FEG. Booyah. And I'm going to change the color too, just so we can understand this is a bit of a different one. Maybe make it darker. That's really ugly. I ain't going to cap. Yeah, let's do it like that. That's cool. I'm good with that. So let's go down to the 1 minute. Let's see. Price already moved down in this area. We've already missed the move. We've already missed the move. Let me go to the 15 real quick. All right, let me see if there's anything else we can take towards here. There's nothing, guys. Every gap's been closed. Unless those of you guys who trade inversion gaps, you see what I'm saying? You might be able to take this. Where's K-Dot at? I think it's K-Dot that trades this. So we'll see what happens here. Right now, we're just fishing, bro. We're just absolutely fishing. In the meantime, let me just quickly see what else we could take a look at. Euro AUD. We already looked at that. There's nothing on this. And GJ. Guys, it is looking like it's just looking like one of those days. Again, I'm going to mark out some areas where we can possibly get in. Maybe right here. Okay. This is, again, for demonstration purposes. I'm not even going to touch this regardless of what happens. Regardless. All right, guys. So today's looking like it's not going to be that strong of a day. I ain't going to cap. So price has tapped. Oops. All right. So we'll give that a shot as well. Let me just make sure I mark up this for here as well. It's probably going to hit it soon, but just in case. You know what? I might as well just wait for it. Yeah, here we are. All right, so already here. We're going to wait and see how this plays out. We might take some trades here. We may not. Oh, boy, I missed a bunch in the chat. Same gold was high. Oh, okay, there people were talking. You know, bro, I was just curious if you saw my question. Supply and demand always. Oh, okay, wait. Anti-Sacco, I think was talking to me. Same as gold. We swooped the highs of Asia, now low of Asia. Rejections on both sides. Crazy work. Bro, gold, you already know how I feel about gold, man. Gold can do so much within a day and almost do nothing at the same time. Right? So, K-Dot said, hey, love. Yeah, I know. I got you. I already got you set up. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, babe. See you later, I. See you. And then, what's it called? K-Dot says, supply and demand always seemed shaky to me. It wasn't my thing. I would either get 20R in a week or lose 20R in a week. Yeah, that's the thing about supply and demand. You can get some amazing setups and you can also lose a lot. So you gotta, there's things you've got to do to make sure that the demand zone is actually valid. And I had a strategy. I was trading on the 5-minute chart. That was, the win rate was like almost 90%. But the problem with that is this, it took too long. I used to trade it on SPX 500. These two are talking. Maybe I could show you guys, but I don't want to miss what's going on here. We might be able to take some sort of a trade here, but let me see if I can go to SPX. All right, so on SPX 500, let's say we would call this a supply zone. All right, let's say this right here was a supply zone, right? You can see how it's like starting to push down from there. I started to develop a strategy. I noticed some things. Maybe I might not share this actually, but long story short, I started noticing some things where if price would come to the area that I marked out with all the factors considered, the win rate was almost guaranteed. Like the trade was almost guaranteed. But what happened was it was taking me too long to pass the challenge. Like I would find one of these trades like once every 2 weeks sometimes, maybe once a week if you're lucky. So what was happening was like, I'm not the type of person to risk like 3% per trade or 2% per trade. It's just never been me. So I'd risk like a 1 to 2, and waiting so long, it just got frustrating. So I learned to really like hone in on my scalping, and that's what really helped me to become profitable. But supply and demand was at one point, bro, that was my bread and butter. I was eating from supply and demand. But you see what happened here where, let me do this. Okay, cool. Where price just wicks you out and then goes down. So I would start saying, okay, let me put my entries here and let me push it above for the next one. And you know what would happen on the next one? It would tap me out here and go down or just continue upwards. There was nothing that I could do to make it work until I started understanding how the market moves. All right, let me go back to here real quick. Ooh, guys, we might get into a paper trade. We're going to do 2. All right, I'm going to hop in here just because I'm itchy to show you guys something. We'll do this. All right. The spreads are going to be tight on that. Actually, I have to move that. The spreads are going to be way too tight. So yeah, we'll do this. Here's 1. See if we can get a nice 1 to 2 right here. Nice 1 to 2. Almost right there. All right, guys, this is what we're looking at right now. And then I'm going to draw another one. If price comes up into about right here, that's perfect. I'm going to enter another trade. That's how we roll. That's how we roll, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we roll. Let's see what happens here. All right, guys. Let's see what happens here. Pineapples, what's good, Verd? What's good, what's good, what's good? Foreign, all about that quick money. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bro, listen, like I have a business background. Not because I went to business school or nothing, but business is how I make my money. And so, trust me when I say, when it comes to stuff like this, it's not, you got to be patient in everything you do, but bro, there's certain things you've got to manage your time. And I want to either be right away or wrong right away. I don't care for the rest. So you guys saw that last trade we took on Friday where we won. It was kind of killing me because it was taking so long to hit TP. I don't like trades like that, bro. Just take me out or start pushing. That's it. There's nothing else to really talk about. Let's see. What else do we have? Let me see if I can find. For those of you who are new, just got here, I took this trade on my futures account, so we're good. That's why I'm being picky this morning with my trade setups. I ain't got to rush nothing. Nothing at all. Let's see what else we can find. We have gold. I think we already did one on gold. Yeah, we already have gold. That already did what it needs to do. And yeah, we're going to continue watching, see what happens. Okay, that's on longs on EU scalp. You know what? Let's check it out. We ain't got nothing else to do, right? Let's take a look at EU. All right, longs on EU scalp. Let's see. Not bad. We drew this out for some reason. So, and it's reacting perfectly to this line. So, you know what? Maybe we can get a quick scalp over here. Let's go down to the 15 and see what we got. All right, guys. I'm not recommending you scalp this at all. And the last time K-Dot and Dean told us to scalp, we lost our shirt on those trades. So we don't want no issues. But if we are going to get back into a trade, I don't like, obviously there's a gap right here. Okay. There's a really tiny gap right here. I'm not too thrilled about that though. But you know what? Let's mark it anyways. Look how tiny this thing is. Anemic gap. Look at this anemic gap. All right. So we have this here. You can see one that's already here that's been utilized and violated and whatnot. We don't want that. Here's what I'm really looking at, to be quite honest. These two areas. Okay. Price already mitigated this already. But I'll watch just in case, because price is really tricky. But the one that would be best is this. If you guys can get back in here, which price already did that, that's the gap to go to. So we will take a look at this and see what's going on and just kind of, you know what I mean? To the EQ highs. Oh, equal highs. Got you. Oh, so you want to scalp to here. Unless you mean equal highs above here. All right. Maybe you're talking about these ones up here. If that's what you're looking at. Or I know you're not aiming for up here. Because you said a quick scalp. But anyhow, we have those highs to go to. So we'll see. We'll take a look at that. Let's see what oil is doing. Oil is starting to push down. 600, guys. 600. We could buy a PS5, bro. We could buy a PS5. What should we do with this money? Should we do with this money? All right. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll take a look at this. We don't need to look at that no more. What else can we look at? What else are you guys trading at? Let's take a look at some of you guys. The lower ones. Got you. Oh, shoot. My fault. Yona said you have 4 and I found a new indicator today. Power of 3. Check it out. Yeah, I got it. Remember? Were you not here when I did the explanation on that? Power of 3. Let me show you. Right here. Are you talking about this with the daily candle and stuff? If that's what you're talking about, first I appreciate you letting me know, right? You don't have to go. You don't have to share nothing with me. So shout out to you, and I really appreciate that. But if it's that you're referring to, I have that already. But again, I appreciate it. Really appreciate it. All right, guys. Gold is falling. Sorry, no, oil. Oil is falling. So it's responding very nicely to our 4-hour gap. And I get this question all the time. People be like, so why didn't you take it? Because I didn't analyze it properly, guys. I literally just eyeballed it. I eyeballed it and said, okay, maybe this is what might happen. I don't trade like that. I want to analyze and be confident about my setups and it matches my criteria. And then I enter the trade. I don't just hop in something just because it looks good to me. You see what I'm saying? So, and for all we know, this could still reverse. We're not out the woods yet. You see what I'm saying? So, ooh, ADJPY. All right, let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at that. Oh, the demand zone. Okay. We're going to see what it do. We'll see. For those of you who trade supply and demand, let's see if we can get something out of this zone right here. All right, in the meantime, we're going to watch this. I got to start setting alerts. Okay, let me set an alert saying price retraced back to FVG. All right, so we got that going. ADJPY. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to put one right here. I'm going to say price. Price is breaking lower highs. All right, that way we can kind of take a look at oil because oil is about to hit the float. Woo. All right. Price is moving bookie though. Yeah, price is moving really weird. Oh, sick. Yes, it's a good one. Thank you, Yona, again. I'm trying a long on your USD now, small size. It will be the first scale in on a longer swing. Got you. Best of luck, brother. Best of luck. Best of luck. This gap, guys, you'll see me say this all the time. Anytime I see a gap like this, I'm like, that'll do it. I stay out the market. I don't want no problems with that. Now, don't get me wrong. If you're buying, you can probably anticipate, let's say you got in here, you could probably anticipate that price will try and fill this whole thing. So you might be right about that. It's not my style, so I just leave it alone. I just leave it alone. All right, we're going to watch these ones and see what it do. Now that we know that this is going down, let's take a look. Guys, by the way, if you're here, please like the stream. I forgot to, oh gosh, I forgot to pin the Discord for people who are new. Let me see if I can invite people. There we go. Copy link. Booyah. Evan Power. Any giveaway today? Why does everybody keep asking me about a giveaway today? What is going on? I didn't announce any giveaway, guys. I don't know if I did. No, I didn't. There's no, to answer your question, no, there's no giveaway. Brother, sorry. No giveaway today. I'm going to do the giveaway soon. Just bear with me. But no giveaway today at all. By the way, guys, I'm going to say this as nicely as I can, guys. Like as nicely as I possibly can. If you hit me up on Instagram to ask me for money, your success rate is 0. Actually, minus 10%. I might ask you for money. All right? Don't hit me up on Instagram asking me for money, please. Right, Saki said must be scabbers. That's hilarious. But everybody's asking me. People hit me up all the time. All right? Saying, hey, bro, send me some money. Hey, bro, I know it's nothing to you. Pay for this. You guys, if I had 100 trillion, I wouldn't spend my money that way. All right, guys. I'm don't get me wrong. I want to help people. Fauci, yeah, for a job. No, you're good. Listen, if you ask me for help, I'm willing to. I've given people money on Instagram before. Don't get me wrong. Like, people have reached out and I've given people money. I don't mind to help. I'm one of those guys who, if I see you're struggling for real, I will help you. But right out the gate, just to be like, hey, bro, I know you, and I get some of my African brothers, but brother, I know you're a rich man. Please, if you can spare just $30 or $20, bro, like, calm down. I don't know you from a can of paint. You know what I'm saying? And there's people out here who actually need help. Those are the ones I'm looking for, not you. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna say as nice as I can. Please don't. At some point, it gets disrespectful. Don't hit me up for money, bro. You want a job? You have an opportunity? You want to work with me? I'm down for that all day. I have people hit me up all the time. Yo, bro, I can do this skill. Do you need my help right now? I think I can help you with this or what. I'm down. That's proper, and we can always work something out as to how I pay you or compensate. I'm good with that all day. But right out the gate, brother, please, here is hard. It's hard everywhere, bro. I slept in my car. I was pretty much homeless for a while. You see what I'm saying? It's hard everywhere. It's hard for everybody. And in fact, the last live on Friday, Fauci, I'm not going to put his business out there, Fauci shared his struggles with us. And if anybody deserves my money, it's Fauci. And Fauci's never asked me for $1. And out of everyone who's reached out to me, he deserves the money the most. You see what I'm saying? So guys, please, with all due respect, Empower said, okay, bro. Yeah, Empower, I'm going to do an announcement on the giveaway when it's time. So don't worry, you're not going to miss it, all right? Bro, check the Discord. You pinned it. Are you sure? Where did I pin it, Adib? Show me. I don't know. How about Ferja? K-Dot said, yeah, bro, K-Dot, like, it gets crazy. It gets so crazy. I might ask you for money for real. Dean said Uno reverse. DJ said people be hustling. I think gold going by said. W Fauci, yo, hi. What's good, Mr. R? What's good? 1000% agree, bro. Deja vu feels like the last stream. Yeah, it kind of does. K-Dot says snipers. Okay, let's take a look at what's going on here. AUD is starting to push up. I don't like the way it's pushing up, but we're going to hop in. We're going to hop in this trade, guys. All right. We're going to hop in this. Oh, what does that say? Is that 1,000? Right out the gate? Yo, how much are we going to lose if we lose this? 8 bands, bro. That's light. We got it like that, bro. That's light. We got it like that, people. We got it like that. All right. So this is us just trying to ting, bro. We do not trade supply and demand, guys. If you're here, don't take this as a signal. If you lose your money, that's all you. Euro USD hasn't come back down yet. And oil is reversing on us. How nice. Oil, don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. So we're going to see what happens here. Vert said people are so complicated, man. Bro, trust me. Official Kamzi. Yo, what's good? Kamzi, what's good? Love. Much love to you, brother. In the giveaway section. All right, foreign money. Appreciate you, Kamzi. Appreciate you. Let me check out this Discord in the giveaway section. He said I pinned it. Dog. Bro, I'm not seeing nothing. Who is it that said that I pinned it? Adib, I'm not seeing nothing, bro. In the giveaway section, I pinned a giveaway. Yeah, I don't see it either, bro. I do not see it either. Yo, Adib, did you join a fake foreign money's Discord? That guy is hustling you, brother. You get out. Leave the server right now. I'm warning you. Leave the server, because if anything happens to you, don't come and say foreign money scam. I've never asked nobody for $1. All right, Adib, please be careful. I am not pinning no giveaways, nothing like that. So if you guys are getting finessed by that fake guy that's somewhere in this Discord who added a dot to my name, you guys listen to me. I'll never reach out to you. If I do, it'll be to confirm certain things. And If you get a message from me, even if it looks like it's my account, click on my original picture as the Discord owner and then message me and be like, hey, bro, I'm just trying to confirm if you message me. Don't. Oh, he said, oh, I see. Check pin messages. Okay. Pin messages. Hello, everyone. Just joined this channel. Please fill out this form. Bro, that look at the date. That was August 23rd of 2024. Guys, unless I'm tripping, I'm in the giveaway, and the only pin message, the only one, is, hey everyone, if you're joining this channel, please fill out this form. And it was for the time where I had done the giveaway, and I was telling everybody who had joined the giveaway channel, fill out the form so they can get their account. Because everybody who was joining this channel was strictly somebody who won a giveaway. So guys, I beg you in the name of God, please, let the poor breeds. Shout out all my Nigerians. I know you know that meme. Check pin message. He's talking about the registration form. Yeah, thank you, K-Dot. Appreciate that. Helped a lot. ICT, please bless me with FAGs. All right, ICT, you heard the man. Do your thing. I upload a screenshot in general. All right, let's see. Ooh, are we going to lose this money? Let's take a look at XTR real quick. Okay. In general. Yeah, I did. We solved it, but thank you for pinning it. I'm going to actually remove this message just because it has nothing to do with that. You're going to be the first message I remove, Adib. Adib, you want to remove it yourself? You want to delete the message, Adib? Or you want me to remove it? I don't remove messages in my Discord, by the way. It's, let the poor breathe. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't see the date. Nah, you're good, Adib. You're good. ICT finna change the algorithm real quick. Yes, sir. Yeah, Adib. So that was the old one. So yeah, if you like, you can remove it. If not, I'll remove the message just because it's got nothing to do with. And I don't want other people seeing this and getting confused as well. That's why I'm saying what I'm saying. Let's check our other trade here. Ooh, guys, we either gonna make. Thank you, Adib. I just saw you removed it. Perfect. We either gonna make good money today, or we gonna get washed. Yo, who was it that recommended we do a demand trade? Who was it? I gotta find you. Because last time Dean and his brother K-Dot cost us like 15 G's. Okay? And they're supposed to be working for me right now. Dean talking about, oh, you know, my mom says she missed me, so I gotta go visit her, so I can't really work right now. And then K-Dot changed his name to Marshall Marciano and dipped, ghosted me for like a week. Now he's back under K-Dot. K-Dot, get to work, brother. Both of you guys. In fact, your next break is in an hour and 19 minutes. All right, get to work. Y'all owe me money. Okay, that WICT. Changing the financial market algorithm for my benefit. Such a good guy. Is this ADJ? Yes, AJ. Yes, it is, Dean. Money week, my people. Let's go. Yes, sir, Kamzi. ICT, rigging the algorithm to win Robin's Cup. Be booking you on oil. Do your thing, guys. Do your thing. 15 G's. Holy moly. Yeah, bro. Dean and what's his brother's name? K-Dot. I called the signal. They said bye. Classic Forex trade. I think it's K-Dot. FX. Say bye. There you go. You guys, you better hope to God these trades going. But who was it though? I gotta find the person who recommended we buy this around here. I gotta find you because you're gonna have to work for me too. Let's see here. Let's see if we can find this guy. Let's see. Both sides, supply and demand always seems. Did the person remove their comment? Oh, smart. I think they removed their comment. Let me see. Yeah, I can't find it. Hey, yo, listen, show yourself. Whoever said we should do the supply demand trade, show yourself. K-Dot said K-Dot, please sue. I would love to see you in court, brother. When I present the documents of you making me lose money, it's going to be a ball for you, bro. Foreign, isn't it crazy that 99% of traders on Twitter is bro. I don't mess with Twitter for so many reasons, but I said the same thing. I'm on Twitter, and everybody is profitable on Twitter. Everyone. Listen, I'm not saying people can't be profitable, and I'm not saying we don't have more profitable traders now than we do ever. I actually believe we do have more profitable traders now, but Twitter is the wild, wild west, bro. I don't mess with Twitter. Twitter seems to be just like it's like Reddit 2.0. Everybody there's just ready to trash you, throw you under the bus, absolutely shoot you in the face. Twitter is just a very negative space, bro. I have no time for negativity, bro. You know what I've realized about the internet? The second you put your phone down and you like go into the real world, none of that stuff matters. Like none of that stuff really and truly matters. You know what I mean? It's just the internet is just full of weirdos. That's the honest truth, bro. And Twitter just be having a lot of people on there who have nothing better to do than to argue with the next man and try and take other people down and be so negative. And it seems like the things that are monetized on Twitter are things like exposing other people. So people be on there and be like tagging this person. I just found out this person said that he used to go to this school, but the real name of the school is this. And then when they show the real name, it's like the same spelling, but they missed the apostrophe or something. It's just weird. Like, bro, I don't have time to be chasing a next man's business, as it doesn't pay for me. And even if it did, I wouldn't want nothing to do with this. So it's crazy. Every trader on Twitter claims to reveal the interbank secrets in their $300 course, bro. You're gonna get me in trouble, bro. Mr. Titan. Just understand when it comes to Twitter and all that stuff, bro. I ain't got time for it. It's just one of those spaces I don't see it. I have a Twitter, but I never use it. I don't have no. I'm about my money. I pursue things that make me money. Period. That's it. I have a family to feed, and a God to make proud. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. Sorry, bro. I have to put you under the bus. Yeah, Adib. Yeah, it's K-Dot. Yeah, K-Dot. Yeah, shout out Adib. Adib low-key like my lawyer. Or the persecutor of this case. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Shout out to everybody who's in here. If you're new, join the Discord. We have the best people on Discord. You guys, with whatever trades you see me hitting. Okay, first off, we have this account that we're trading. Those of you guys who are here, we're trading this live account. We haven't taken any trades yet today, but that might change. Okay, these trades here, we're just kind of like throwing it into the air type of thing. But anyways, join the Discord if you're new. Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. You guys, my birthday was amazing. mymoneyforeign. You can go check it out on my highlights. This is my Instagram name. All right, guys. But yeah, what else? What was I gonna say? Yeah, so I don't really focus on any of those things, guys. I just go about my day and I do what I gotta do. And that's it. You realize in this world that the less time you spend worrying about other people, the better your life will be. I used to worry a lot about what people thought, what people say. None of it matters. None of those people you'll know in real life. You know what I mean? Like when I turn off this stream, I have my businesses to attend to. I have a wife, a beautiful wife that loves me to death. I'm blessed, bro. I literally don't want nothing else in life. I'm blessed. Everything I've ever wanted to do, I've done. I don't think there's anything on my list of things to do. No lie. I've experienced everything. Happy birthday. Thank you, K-Dot. Thank you. Late birthday, foreign. Yeah, thank you. Happy late birthday. Thank you so much, Titan. Appreciate you guys. Shosho, what's up, man? Hey, Shosho's in here. What it do? What's up, Shosho? Looking for more sells on GJ. Yeah, we could take a look on GJ since EURUSD is just doing nothing at this time. There we go. We got GJ. Let's see if we can find some sells for GJ. Oh, it hasn't hit this area, guys. This is what I'm waiting for. So if you're looking for GJ as well, I'm waiting for GJ to come back to this area. And then I will possibly look for some sells. All right. Alrighty, people. In the meantime, we've got these two guys. Oops. We got these two guys. Oil, come on, bro. Come on, man. All right. And then, like, look at you. Look at AUDJPY, bro. Look at that. How'd you celebrate it? Kato, go check my highlights. Let me just put it that way. Go check my highlights. Go on my Instagram right now and just watch my highlights. It's gonna be under. Let me show you. Let me open my Instagram real quick. So, it's gonna be under. Let me just have it open here. Yeah, I think it's under lifestyle. First, you're going to see my wife's birthday from a while ago. And then after you get past that, you should see, yeah, my birthday. So my birthday is literally right after my wife's birthday. And you can see how my day went. Had a blast. Had a blast. Shout out to my wife, bro. She is just a whole queen, bro. She's been holding me down for it. Next month is going to be 10 years, guys. I'm taking my wife on a cruise. I'm going to blow her up, bro. I'm going to do some crazy stuff for her. Because there was some stuff I didn't get to do for her birthday. You guys remember we were trying to get her a car and all that? That fell through. Trying to buy her Porsche. So we'll see. I have some ideas up my sleeve, but it's going to be fire for the anniversary. How'd you celebrate? I'm cool, man. Added deep. That's blessed, fam. Thank you, Fauci. Appreciate you, bro. Shout out, Fauci. Fauci's a fellow Canadian. He's a fellow Canadian, bro. So he gets all my references, all my jokes. Good promo, LMAO. For what? What do you mean good promo? For what? Oh, for my Instagram? Hey, yo, don't hit the play, baby. Hit the game. All right, I'm kidding. But AUDJPY is starting to move. That's good. So this demand zone really did hold up. Hey, whoever suggested the demand zone, you can reveal yourself now. You're not in trouble. Hit your comment. That's wild. AUDJPY on the other hand, sorry, oil on the other hand is reversing, which is just bizarre. But hopefully it changes its mind and continues to go down. So in the meantime, let's keep a look. Let's keep an eye out here and see what happens. Let's take a look and see what happens. I was looking at boat videos from Miami to Bahamas. That's dope. Yeah, that is dope, bro. That is dope. I'm gonna, you guys know how I am, bro. Everywhere I go, I update you guys. All right. So you guys are going to see. And guys, I'm going to try to, I was going to do a day in the life for my birthday. I didn't record it that well. So what I'm going to do, I'm planning to buy a really proper camera with, and you know, like a memory card and all that stuff. And then I'm going to vlog my anniversary so that I can give you guys a day in the life. All right. People keep asking me for a day in the life. And the reason why the other ones fell through is just the clips were incomplete. It was just a lot of pieces missing. It felt weird. Like, I'm not posting that. That's just weird. Dean. This is from Breathe Life into this. You deleted your comment. Bro, that is funny. So yeah, I'm going to what's it called? I'm gonna do all that, and in fact, I have. Anyways, I'll show you guys later on. But yeah, I'm going to do my best to do that so you guys can see like a proper day in the life, start to finish, what it's like, all that good stuff. All right, so stay tuned. This is for Breathe Life into this, man. I envy you. Oh man, thank you, Dean. I appreciate you, man. You guys will find yours one day too, I promise. Took me a while to find mine. You guys will find yours. All right, man. 1R GJ plus 3R EU. Minus 1R, but plus. Okay, so you're up 2%. Nice. Nice. So EU, you took that trade on EU. Let's go see what. Oh, GJ's almost at that level. I'm going to stay right here. Still, I ain't going to lie. I'm going to wait it out and see what it do. These pairs, man. This is why I don't. Have you guys noticed all my trades are like in the morning and that's it? Yo, what's good, Marcus? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? All my trades are like in the morning because, bro, I don't like these trades that take forever to play out. I don't like them at all. So, but yeah, man, guys, that's what I'm going to do. Bro, do a second birthday, record it, and then upload it. Oh, gosh. That would be fake, though. I don't want to do stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like, I would have to go fake all my reactions, all that stuff. But I would love to. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna do some more stuff for you guys. You guys will see, all right? More in the life. Guys, I have another. I don't want to spoil it, bro. I have some other stuff in the pipeline for you guys in terms of content. So just stay tuned, bro. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. GJ, I called the signal. All right, Dean, you guys are out here again. Bro has the billionaire laugh. Bro, see, now you have me questions on my laugh. Bro, what the heck, NT, bro? NT has me second guessing my laugh. Bro has the billionaire laugh. That's funny. Okay, that's what's good. I'm in a gold buy. Got you. Let's take a quick peep at gold. Let's see what gold is saying real quick. Marcus is in a gold buy. Got you. I'm assuming you got in somewhere down here. Let's take a look at the 15. Oh, you making a nice push because we were just talking about this earlier. This zone has really been, you know what I mean, responding nicely. And we're anticipating that in the long run, since price has been just moving in this channel essentially, right? We're anticipating that in the long run, we're going to get something like this. Okay. But we might get this first. This is what we're worried about. We might get this first because price sometimes does that. right? Kind of like what you saw here. It does this and then it pushes back up. So you might get a really nice response here, Marcus. Just be careful, in my opinion. But if you're in a buy, shout out to you. Hope you get a wonderful, wonderful TP. Where were we at? No, that's oil. We already did oil. What was the next one? GJ. That's what we're at. All right. So we have AUDJPY. That is, bro, look at this nonsense. All right, guys, we're down 3K. Man, and look at this. Everything's just reversing. Sheesh. Dean, you're going to be working overtime. Bro, heck, K-Dot, worry about yourself. Worry about yourself. You're supposed to be working too. You think I forgot the fact that you ghosted me? You're supposed to be working too. Let Dean breathe, please. All right. So yeah, guys, this is what's happening right now. You guys, I haven't checked I released the song that you guys asked me to release on YouTube. So I haven't checked the comments or nothing yet. Guys, let me just say this right now. If you guys ever hit me up on Sunday, and I don't respond, don't be offended. On Sunday, it's like the Lord's Day, family time. I don't touch my business phone. Okay, so you might see me in the evening, like late at like 8 o'clock in the night, my time. I might respond to you. But if you guys hit me up on Sundays and you don't get a response, don't take it personal. It's just I don't do nothing on Sundays at all. Marcus is already aware. I don't do nothing. My business. I have two phones. I have this phone and I have my business phone, and then I have my personal phone. So my business phone I don't touch. I just let it. I just literally leave it alone. I leave everything alone. So yeah, man, that's how it go. That's how it go. Look at this monstrosity, bro. You know what? Let me see something here. Because I might get in for it. Yeah, let's get in one more time. Guys, just don't ever do this, but I'm just degenerate gambling right now. So now we're going to lose 12K if it hits stop loss. Which this demand zone might get retested. So, yeah. And we have oil, bro. Oil's just taking a sweet time. So we'll see what happens here. We might get taken out. Whenever I see price forming like this, in my mind, we're already cooked. This is just weird structure, right? We were forming lower highs and lower lows consistently. All right. We broke above it. And now we're breaking below these. That's what it seems like is going to happen. Because if price is not really using this to its strength, it's just going to follow bear structure. So in my mind, we're already cooked. But we're going to see what it do. 25 viewers. The Lambo was working. LWO. Oh, yeah. 25 people were watching at a time on this stream. Yeah. People love Lambos, including me. Listen, before you guys say, oh, Lambos are overrated or typical YouTube stuff, I'm a car enthusiast. I love cars. All the cars I've ever owned in my life are sports cars. And I've loved Lamborghini before it was popular type of thing. Not to say it wasn't popular before, it's always been a popular brand, but among certain people. But my dad got me into cars. I've loved Lamborghini like in Diablo days. You know what I mean? Like when the Diablo was like fired. I had that poster on my wall. I've always wanted a Lambo. That's just what it is. I'm not a trend chaser. I'm not one of those people who are going to buy a Tesla because it's the coolest thing, the latest trend, or a Ferrari because it's what's popping. I buy what I like. That's me. So I've always loved Lambos. And that was on my list. Remember we used to range at 11 to 15. As in 11 o'clock? Is that what you're asking me, Auntie Sako? Let me know. W News singles release. Thank you, Dean. Appreciate it. Appreciate more to come. You guys love those songs, so I'm just going to keep releasing some more. I have some other stuff in the pipeline for you guys, so just be patient. I'm planning to release them like every Saturday, and eventually I might do a Spotify so that you guys could just stream them or whatever. And that's it, guys. We lost 12K. All right, where's the guy who said we should take this setup, bro? Where you at, bro? Somebody gonna have to work for this, bro, and it's not me. Where's the guy at? I was the second one to comment on the video after Marcus agent. Gotcha. I'm gonna check it out. Shout out to you, Adib. Shout out to you, Marcus, and whoever else commented on the video. Shout out to all. What just happened? No data. Did my stream stop? What just happened? No data. Did my stream stop? Where he at? Bro, I'm back. What the heck just happened though? Oh my gosh, bro. Sheesh. Okay, so gambling is the best. LOL. Show your head top Fauci, it's just lagging for me. Is it just lagging for me? Bro, stream what happened? Yeah, bro, I just got a message that you guys got disconnected. Bro, this is some, bro, somebody trying to obia us, bro. This is some juju. Someone trying to juju us. Let me check my internet, bro, because guys, recently they've been doing construction. They're working on the house and all that stuff around here, right? So long story short, they've been messing with the internet. The other day while I was trying to get on stream with you guys, it kept disconnecting. Ay. And my internet is slow today again. Let me try again. I'm supposed to have 1 gigabytes per second, bro. One gig per second. Nah, bro. So maybe it's my internet. Maybe it's the guys. I don't know, guys. We'll see. We'll see, man. We will see. We will see. Okay, finally, this is back, guys. So we can see here what happened. We can look at account history. Oh my gosh, 13K. But we got like 3.5 milli, bro. We aight, dog. We could survive that. We aight. We're all right. All right, let's get out of here. Let's see what happens with oil. We need oil. Yeah, Mr. Oil. Like, we need you to plummet, dog. We got to make back what we lost. Or at least some part of it. Yeah, stream stopped for a bit. Yeah, that's super weird. That's never happened before. I literally got this sound, this notification, like, boom. And then it said the stream was disconnected. What the heck? Back now. Thank you. Yeah, I thought I got disconnected. That's weird. That's weird. Hey, those of you trying to juju us, we rebuke you in the name of Jesus. Yo, shout out all my Christians, bro. Let's pray. Nobody can disconnect us. Nobody can disconnect us, bro. We ain't doing all that. No, sir. We're a tight-knit family. We will stay together through thick and thin. Damn, that was weird. All right, guys. That was weird. All right, now we're good. It says that condition is excellent, so we should be doing good. All right, let's stay over here and take a look at this trade and see what happens. 10:31 a.m. We need this to plummet. In fact, let me see if I can find another area. Truth be told, bro, you know what? I might hold. You guys want to see if we can get a 1 to 8? You guys want to do that? Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that, guys. Let's do that. Let's try and make back what we lost. Let's do that. And then what we're going to do is at... Oh, wrong one. So here's what I'm going to do. Let me move this back. I'm going to move this down here. And then I'm going to... like that. So what I'll do is over here, I will close 5K. All right. No, not sell. That's got to be a buy. Right? So, man. Okay, I'll move this here as well. This is what I'll do. I'll just make a new one, guys. It's all good. We will do this. Over here, we will buy 5K. We'll close half. All right, see if we can get a 1 to 8. That's if price ends up going our way. We do have price kind of forming this channel right here. You know what I'm saying? So we might get the good old boom, 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 and then watash. Alrighty, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what it do. What it do? Andeep says someone did voodoo. Bro, nah, bro, nobody can voodoo me, bro. I'm with God. No one can voodoo me. Promise you. Getting all that oil money. Yes, sir. Then I'm going to move to Dubai. Like everyone else. Every influencer's in Dubai, bro. It's insane. GJ. Let's see what GJ's saying. GJ not doing much. AUDJPY. So this demand zone. I mean, it might still work, but for now, it's a bit of a wash. So we're depending on oil. Oil has got to save us. We need oil for the W. If oil don't save us, we are cooked. We are cooked, man. Cooked, I tell you. All right. All right. Guys, please like the stream. Please and thank you. That's all I ask, guys. I don't ask you for no money, no donation, nothing. Even though, you guys, you can do super chats now. I'm saying it wouldn't hurt to say, hey, foreign, here's a super chat. For whatever reason. But anyways, I don't ask you guys for that. Just please like the stream. All right? Like the stream. Okay? Everything I do is for you. For free. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Did you take a trade on the prop firm challenge? No, I was explaining that this morning. It's right here. It's right here. Still where it's at. So even this disconnected. So that tells you something happened with, I think, with my internet. It's right here, Marcus. Balance is still the same. We still out here. We still out here, brother. You're broke. Deep. Oh shoot, that's hilarious. No, man, it's all good, man. You guys do what you want, man. I appreciate. Listen, I know you guys love me enough and support me enough that if you could do super chats and stuff, you would. Trust me. All right. I have the best family on YouTube. I say that all the time. And I've not asked nobody for a dollar. Nobody's giving me anything, but I know I have the best supporters on this platform. You guys are the bomb.com. Feel me? You guys are the GOAT. Oh, Euro USD is back in it. Let's see. Euro USD is back in there. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, okay, we're back at this zone. I'm not a fan of that though. I won't lie to you guys. I'm not expecting nothing to happen over here. Like, in order for this to actually work out, the way prices got to form got to be crazy. So, nice one. Still positive. Let's go. Yes, sir. We're still in the green by God's grace. So, look at this nonsense. We're going to do it again, guys. We're going to... Bro, I think there's a fly in my room, and I don't know how a fly got in my room. All right, guys. Tight stop loss. Tight stop loss. TP right here. We're going to see what it do. I'm in the mood to just do nonsense this morning. That's why. All right, guys. But if you notice, I ain't take none of these trades on this account. No, sir. You guys see all the trades that I take, except for the 2 stupid ones that I took just to be like, oh, let's pass this challenge. All the trades that I take, I make sure I analyze correctly before I get in there. Insanity. It's doing the same thing again and again. Yeah, bro. It's just like, you know what I'm saying? So you guys, look at this. Look at this nonsense. And you guys will see why I started trading a certain way. This is proof that not every zone you mark up works. And this is proof that when you guys see my zones reacting in certain ways, because of the back end work I've put in to identify which zones have a high probability of giving us what we're looking for. So this is proof. This is proof. What prop count size? Change your toy, brother. Yeah, Dean. Okay, you're gonna expecting a different result. Oh man. Okay, that do you use the real account for trading? Is it the demo account? Okay, they're asking questions. But Dean's probably gonna ask this question again. We're gonna see what happens. You guys, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, guys. I got to deal with this, bro. I think there's a fly in my room, and it just touched my arm. The disrespect. One sec. It's a tiny fly, but I gotta. What prop account size changed your story, brother? Oh, great question. Give me 1 sec. Let me just batter this fly real quick. I'll be right back. Where you at, boy? Don't hide now. Where you at? The audacity to line on my arm. You crazy, boy. All right, guys, my fault. The fly performed some black magic, some voodoo, and disappeared. So I can't do nothing to him. Dean said, demo, I'm not old enough for a... Okay, cool. Dean said, what prop account changed your story? That's the thing, Dean. None of them. I make my money from business. I've gotten payouts, but it hasn't changed my life at all. You see what I'm saying? It hasn't changed my life at all. Prop firms are good. I've made some money. Let me just put it to you this way. I have made more money, right? More money from getting payouts and trading than I have invested in my entire journey. Meaning I bought every challenge I've ever purchased, every account I've ever blown, all the money that I started investing to trading from 2020, I've made it all back from trading. Let me just put it that way. But it hasn't changed my life because I make more than that regularly. See what I'm saying? Good day, everyone. What's good? In Tokozo. What's good, brother? You guys, I'm going to leave. I love AUDJPY and I love the way it moves, but this zone is not a great zone in my opinion. It's just like, it's giving us some wonky type movement. I'm not really. Can't use parents' ID card to make a real account. Adib out here. Adib out here breaking the systems, bro. All right, let's go back to oil. Let's see what's going on. Oh my gosh. Oil is moving crazy. Let's see. Oh, you got to listen. Oh, we've been losing some money. You know what I'm saying? You got to. Oh, shoot. There we go. All right, guys. We've been entered into our last position. So if oil goes above and takes us out, then we out. And if not, then we good. But I won't lie to you. Euro USD, okay. Bounced off this area, acting really nice. Not my type of setup, but those of you, you know what I'm saying, who are looking to it. AUDJPY, cooking us. Adib needs a 2.5K funded account from Maven. Adib can't trade because he can't. I don't think he's legally allowed. I think he's in K-Dot's position where he's not old enough, I think. They don't want to use certain brokers. They only want to use trading 2-on-2. And last time I tried to... Oh, okay. They're talking. Oh, never mind. Adib really did break the system. Bro, Adib, are you one of those guys where... there was a guy that got pulled over in Toronto. Fauci, I hope Fauci's still in here, bro. When they pulled him over, they asked him for his license. It was... What was it? It was his friend's face with his name or something like that. It was crazy, bro. Are you one of those, Adib? Marcus is saluting. Okay, Marcus. All right, guys. So, getting cooked on US. Oh, wow. We're about to get cooked on oil, too. That's nasty work. That is nasty work. All right, guys, we're about to get cooked on everything today. So, not great. The chances of this hitting this line here is like 100%. It's like 100%. Oh my gosh. But guys, you see why this morning I came into the market saying what? Hold on, let me show you guys real quick. Let me leave Euro USD alone for a second. Let me show you guys real quick. I took this trade this morning. Not this one. Where is it at? US 30. Right here. Right here. I took this on my futures account. Okay? And the reason why I took this on my futures account, because the way price was moving, I needed the spreads, because there's no spreads on futures. I needed it to be like accurate. And as you can see, as soon as I was taking out, price reversed. I didn't take it on our main account. As you can see, everything's still the same because of the fact that price was moving weird, and the spreads, I feel like the spreads would have taken us out, and that's exactly what happened. All right. I came into the to the charts today, onto the live today, telling you guys we're gonna be patient. When I look at the charts in the morning, I have a good idea. There are some days I just say I'm not gonna trade, and I will leave and I'll go do work at my other businesses, and I'll come back and the market did nothing. Today's one of those days. That's why I'm just out here like gambling these fake trades. But like there's really like there's nothing today. I could just tell by the way price is moving and the zones that we marked up. Guys, the zone we marked up right here was a 4-hour gap, which is, we don't use 4-hour gaps. We use 1 hour and 15s. You see what I'm saying? Over here, we use a demand zone that somebody pointed out to us, and then we ended up marking out, right? So there was no opportunities for us today. And I hope you guys are learning from these fake trades that it's better to be disciplined and patient than to just take whatever you think is happening. Just follow there. Listen, tomorrow is Tuesday, so tomorrow you already know my rules. That's not gonna happen. But Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday still exist, And I think Wednesday, do we have NFP on Wednesday or Thursday? One of those days, right? So like there's trade opportunities every day. Just got to be patient. You just got to be patient. Patient. Patience pays. The only trade I took today won. All the other ones that didn't match my criteria that I took, look at them. They're all shot. This is off an inverse gap. How many times have you guys heard me say, you know what I mean, that I'm trading off an inverse gap or liquidity? I never trade those things. So I hope you guys are learning. Gold looking nice. Okay, let's check out gold. Nice one, Adib, Yadin. And they think also prop firms are scams, so I'll just have to wait till July. Got you. Okay, that was talking about his parents. Me and sells on AUD USD. All right, Joshua, we're gonna take a look at AUD USD just as well. Gold went to all-time highs. I'm here, fam. Proper. It's a buy. Was he from Brampton? No. He's from like deep in the trenches of Toronto. Driftwood, Falstaff, Chalk Farm, them areas. What can I do, bro? I wasn't old enough then to open a real account. I really wanted one, so I took the ID card sneakily and put it back again. At least you're trying to do it for a good cause. Let me just put it that way. I thought you asked and they let you. You're a villain. No, they would never, bro. Thursday's CPI. Is it CPI? Wednesday's FOMC at night. Thank you, Yona, for clearing that. I appreciate you. They don't even know I'm learning trading. FOMC Wednesday. Thank you, Marcus, as well. I don't really like news weeks because the market tends to sleep forever, and then upon the news release, it's yeah. Yona, that's why I know Yona's an experienced trader. On the weeks where there's not when there's a lot of news, you see I don't have that many setups. When I come to the market and I can tell price is moving a certain way, but we're like half an hour from news, an hour from news, I just don't even trade. Everybody knows. It's horrible. All right, let's go take a look at gold. Horrible to trade those times because all price does literally at those times is this. You see what's happening today? Look, this is what happened all day so far. Just take this. Let me put this on so you guys can see for the session. Okay? All day. How come it's not showing up here? That's weird. Did I take it off? Oh, it's loading. But all day, okay? There you go. Look at this. From here at 8 o'clock to here. This is all that price has done. It's done nothing. This is all that we have all day. All day. This is all that we got. This is not for indices. This is pathetic. You see what I'm saying? So when there's news and stuff, like price just consolidates and just acts weird. All right, those of you guys who are in buys, I think Marcus got in around here. So shout out to you guys. You guys are doing great. Doing great. I'm personally not going to get into a buy. I don't see a reason to. But shout out to y'all. Y'all have a great time with your buys. We just got stopped out on oil. And AUD/JPY whooping that botos. My Africans know what I'm talking about. Our botos was stripped. Bro, if an African uncle tells you, I'm going to strip your botos, don't mess with him, bro. He really going to do it. He really going to do it. All right. So, you know what I mean? It's just one of those days. It's just one of those days. So we're going to see if we can find another one. Diza said, you were shadow banned by YouTube. Why? Why? Nice try, Diddy. What are you talking about? The spreads are really affecting my trades, especially since I'm working on the 1 minute time frame, which reduces my potential rewards. Can you recommend any prop firms with better spreads? Ooh, that's a good one. I used to love the way FTMO was moving. But apparently after their trading conditions test, apparently they're not that great anymore. But here's the thing, guys. Bottom line is this. In Alpha Capital too, their spreads are amazing. I use them personally. I love their spreads. But recently I've had some hiccups with them as well. But I guess I could say Alpha Capital, but I can't recommend them as a firm because I haven't gone through the whole process yet. So do with that what you will. And I'm saying. So yeah, man, there's nothing really going on. Just you guys who are in gold trades. Those of you guys who are in gold trades, let us know so we could plot your trades and see what's going on. AUD/JPY is now moving towards. So I'm going to put an alert here just in case if we're there at the time. We can get in here. And I don't trade order blocks, guys. Price has tapped into order block. All right, guys. I don't trade order blocks at all. At all. Dean is laughing. Bro, Dean, testify, man. Our uncles, man. Like, back home is so different from here. Over here, even your parents can't really discipline you. Back home, anyone. Your uncle finds out you're misbehaving, he gonna whoop you. Your aunt finds out you're misbehaving, she gonna whoop you. Everyone will go whoop you, and your brother, your sister, everyone's gonna whoop you, bro. It's law. Nobody's allowed to misbehave, bro. Over here, go to your room, Johnson. Johnson been in his room gaming for the next 24 hours. That's his timeout. Wow. All right, gold 2642 was my entry. Alrighty. We're gonna do it like this. Shout out to all you guys who are like honest enough to share your entries. It's fire. All right, it's fire. 2642 was the entry. Ooh, Marcus. Brother. Nice. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. And I don't even know where your stop loss is. For all I know, your stop loss could be right here. You might be the sniper of the snipers. All right, so that's a good setup, Marcus. Really nice setup. That's not doing nothing. All already took us out. Let's see if we can find anything else. AUDJPY, we can come back to that. Whooping is a universal language. Absolutely, Verd. Everyone gets it, bro. If you're not basically in the West, bro, you're going to get whooped. And even in the West, if your parents are from anywhere else, you still getting whooped, bro. FOMC this week, market moving like a turtle. Bro, 100% facts. 100% facts. 100% facts. Euro AUD is now pushing to this level. Again, I'm not really interested still. GJ, bro, GJ came all the way up here and then just ended up, bro. You guys can see why this morning I said what I said. There's just nothing. Nothing at all. GPCHF is finally pushing up. Okay, but nothing exciting. Like maybe for down for another gamble. But even then, I don't want to touch this. This is gonna be whack. But let's see. Let's put an alert here. All right, we'll see what happens right here. Nothing crazy. AUDJPY, AUDGJ, NQ is now using that same zone to bounce back up, which is wildness. And then Euro US 30 today's just a wash of a day, bro. It's not great. All right, there you go. Might as well. That was quick. Let's see what happens here, guys. Let's take a look. Let's see if we can find. Look how thin this zone is. It's gonna get ran through. My stop. Nice trade. You got banned. What are you guys talking about? Banned where? Banned where? 1700 and 1700. Bro, Adib, you don't know. If you don't know Diddy, just leave it alone, bro. It's not even something you should worry about. It's not even something you should worry about. That's what I'm saying. It's better if you don't know Adib. Fudge to this use a troll. Yeah, bro. These guys, I don't know what they're. I recognize 1700 though. He was on one of our lives, and he was pretty supportive. And now all of a sudden he's coming here talking about nice try, Diddy. Him and Dizer, first time he was on thing, he was arguing with me about some nonsense. But 1700, I don't remember him being like that, which is weird. I got banned from where though? Just ignore the ban stuff. They capping. Yeah, bro. Banned from where? That is some shameful behavior. Imagine being an adult and this is what you're doing with your morning. Everyone else is trying to trade or make money. You're here trolling. Bro. That's just shameful. Couldn't be me. Could not be me. So gold is looking good. GPCHF is, maybe. We might be able to find something. But this area is like super thin, so I'm not too thrilled about it. You know what I mean? And I don't like when gaps in certain areas get violated. So we'll see. We'll keep an eye on it. Bro, you banned by the searches? No, I've always been hard to search. Ask Marcus. When Marcus and I were doing videos together, he would tell me, bro, you need to change your name. He's like, you need to change your name. It's hard to search for you. It's just hard. It's been like this from the beginning. Everybody knows it's hard to search for me. I'm not shadow banned. It's just always been hard to search for me. So if that's why you think I'm banned, then I don't know what to tell you. That's just weird. Can't search you. I was able to search you. No, I can't. That's why I think he's talking. Oh, bro, listen. I don't know what it is. None of you guys are banned. If you were banned or if I banned you or blocked you, you wouldn't even be on this live. So if you guys can't search me, I don't know what it is. But I'm telling you, ask Marcus. We've been doing this for a hot minute. Anytime we try to, my wife can't find my channel sometimes. You see what I'm saying? Pump the like, guys. Yes, please. Thank you. You see what I'm saying? My wife can't find my account sometimes, and I want to show her some stuff. You know what I mean? And even me, when I go to search up my own account, I'll put in, you need to add the X. Thank you. Yeah, I'll put in, and even sometimes, I was just about to say this. Sometimes I'll put foreign money X. Nothing will pop up. Foreign money, nothing will pop up. I'll have to scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll, or else you can't find me. I'm not, you know what I mean, shadow banned. It's just hard to find from the beginning. It's because the two names, when you're starting a channel, right? Or even when you're creating an account, they tell you don't use names that are synonymous or very common because of problems like this. So foreign, we're trading Forex. Everybody who puts Forex puts in their tags foreign exchange, foreign something. So that's one. And money is one of the most talked about things in the universe. So foreign and money is not a great combination to have as a name. So it's hard. When you type in foreign, you'll see a bunch of other people, a bunch of other videos before you find me. If you type in money, same thing. You see what I'm saying? That's just all that it is. So if you guys think I'm banned again, I'm not banned. All right? I'm not banned. But to each his own. Guys, gold is reversing. Gold is reversing. Gold is reversing. So what you guys gonna do? I'm trying to see. Let me take a look back at the 15. I want to see if there's any other way we could re-enter. Maybe I can join you guys in this buy. Bro, I got nothing. I ain't gonna lie. I got nothing. Can I just change the name? Yeah, of course I could change the name. But I don't want to. I was able to before though. Bro, I'm telling you, this thing happens. I'm telling you. Like, there are times where I go to search up my name because I do it all the time, right? Especially when I want to show my, but be like, babe, what do you think about this? Because I'm a business person, so I'm always looking for improvements. And sometimes I'll have my wife, who's my business partner in one of the businesses, I'll have her give me a second opinion. And some days you can pull up my name I'm talking about for me. I can pull up my name and it'll show up. And other days I have to scroll. It really depends on what the algorithm is putting up. I'll give you an example. Go type in foreign money and the Forex funder, or even the Forex funder. My name, you'll see my channel faster that way than you will if you type in my actual name. It's because of what the algorithm is associating me with and tagging me to. That's all that it is. So I'm not banned. Trust me, I'm not banned. GBPCHF is, like I said, I'm not going to touch this. We've been plummeting for a hot minute. This push is super strong. It's coming off this area here. There's a bunch of gas. But guys, the reason why I don't trade these setups is because there's no uniform. What's the word? It's not a uniform setup, okay? Look, price is coming like this. And now we have this. Okay? And now it's done this. I don't really have anything. I need to see a bit more structure before I start deciding as to whether or not I want to join in on the buys, right? Or if I want to wait for something down here to sell. So I'm not a fan of these type of setups. On top of that, you guys also know how I feel about stuff like this. When price is going down and breaking lows, I'm expecting that after price broke this low, it's supposed to do something like this. Sorry. We have this. I'm expecting price to come back into here and break lows. It didn't do that. It started pushing up. So for all I know, we might actually be changing trend and going the other way. You see what I'm saying? Dean said, I see, true that. Yeah, man. I'm in GBP Oh, gosh, I forgot. Bro, Joshua, my fault, bro. You asked me to look at something else as well. But let's take a look at GBP real quick. Oh, I have GBP up here. Right here. All right, what are you in? You in a buy or in a sell, Joshua? Help us so we can help you. I'm in GP. I gotta head out. I've got mathematics to do. Shout out to you, K-Dot. Thank you for staying this long. We gonna hop off in a bit as well. But shout out to you. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day and your week. God willing, we'll see you tomorrow. Also, it takes time for the algorithm to state you in as authority in the subject. That's also true. That's also true. That's how shadow bounds work. That's why I thought that. Again, I get it now. All right, Dizer. You know, Dizer, you came. Like, here's, guys. All right. I don't have any issue with you guys disagreeing with what I've got going on, stating your opinion. But I think you guys, as adults, we should treat each other with respect. Okay? I think we should conduct ourselves a certain way. I think the way we do things says a lot more about us than it does about whoever we're attacking. If you think I'm shadow banned, just come out here and be like, yo, bro, I can't find you. I think you're shadow banned. Trolling, a little high school, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? I have no issues with any of you guys. Why did you say nice try, Diddy? That's what I'm asking. That's why I'm asking. Like, why did you guys say nice try, Diddy? That's just weird. You see what I'm saying? But hey, if you notice, Dizer, the first time Dizer came on here, we like went back and forth. He's not banned. I never blocked him, never banned him, nothing. You guys are allowed to do what you want. I just ask that we just act a certain way. I have the best family on YouTube for a reason, right? Last time I did a giveaway, I gave away 11 accounts for a reason. My people are amazing. I'm about to do another giveaway. As to how many accounts, I don't know. But we have a good family. What I find in this space is that we have a lot of toxicity. You go on Twitter, you go on Reddit, you go anywhere, and the trading space is absolutely horrific. People just trash each other all day for no apparent reason. In my Discord, you try that nonsense, I will block the hell out of you. Not for me. You could trash me all day. I don't give a damn. But you're not going to trash the people in my Discord. That's not going to happen. There are a lot of new people in there learning who are being encouraged by other experience. The other day, I saw FC Mozart was helping. I think Vanch was in there. Caramel was helping. K-Dot, Abdul, Show. Like, the list goes on. There's people in there. Even Marcus, who has his own Discord and his own channel, he's in there helping. So we're trying to build a community that is different. You see what I'm saying? So again, I have no issues with any of you guys. You're welcome to stay. I love you guys on my live and interacting. We joke. We get on each other every so often. I'm cool with that. But you know what I'm saying? I think we could do better. That's all I'm saying. But again, you guys are free and welcome to stay. We're taking some trades. For those of you who don't know, we're trading this account. We were down like 500. We made it back up. We're up on this account. And we're going to be taking this trade live every day. We were supposed to get into a trade today. Nothing presented itself. So it looks like tomorrow is going to be the day. All right. So tag along. Maybe you can learn something. Maybe you can share your expertise. We have Yona in here. Yona was doing a challenge. You know what I mean? We have other people in here who was it? Khaled. Khaled go crazy sometimes. Maximus. He's not here today. We have Black Owl. We have Mr. R. We have Ryuzaki. Like, we have everybody in here always just showing their stuff, and it's fire. It's a good community. So all I'm saying, guys, is you're more than welcome to stay. You can say whatever you want, but I think we could do better in some things. That's all. That's just me. All right, guys. So for those of you who are in gold, I hope you guys got out because this ended up reversing. Hopefully you guys are out. I was actually rooting for you guys. I was hoping it was at least going to go back up to here. Yoicks. All right, GBP USD. Joshua said I'm in buys. Okay, Joshua, what exactly are you like in? Because let me go to the 15 real quick. Let me see here. Joshua's in buys. So we have price. You can see literally coming down. Oops. Literally coming down, going up here, going down, come down here. So we're in bearish structure, but I can see that price like barely took us out. Oops. Barely took us out down here, right? Look at this. And now it's going back up. So that's not a great sign. Whereas in, like, for example, if I was looking for sells, I wouldn't be that confident because of how price moved. So we might actually be either getting a strong retracement or possibly reversing. So the question is, where can I get in again for a trade? This would have been my entry if I had to choose a spot right here. Okay, so if you're in a buy, that's what I would have looked at to get into the trade. Obviously, it's already happened. Hindsight is 2020. So let's see what else we can look at. You want to let us know, like, plot your what's it called, your positions, like your entry prices and stuff like that, so we could see. Yeah, I mean, that will help us to kind of help you. But if you're in your buy, you might be good as long as your stop loss is below here. Oops. As long as your stop loss is below here, I think you're safe, to be honest, for a while. I would say if you are in here, if you get to this level and you're at least at a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, you can start looking at potentially managing your trade. I didn't say you banned me. I said YouTube might have banned you. Diddy was a joke because he got jailed. Got you. Okay, Dizer. I see. No worries. No worries at all. I'm not familiar with the joke. So, 1700 said you didn't have to say that. I mean, I said my piece, guys. I said my piece. So, however you guys feel about what he said, I mean, that's up to you. But I said my piece. But like I said, you guys are welcome to stay. Join the family. You know what I'm saying? Sells in GBP CAD. Let's take a look at that because gold went to town. GBP CAD. Fauci, where are you at exactly with the sell? Oh, this is not bad actually. Let me go out of here for a second. Yeah, that's not bad at all. I can see why you're in some form of a sell over here. You can see price responding quite nicely to this zone. So let's see where you're at, Fauci. Let's see where you're at. Help me know, Fauci. Joshua said my entry was 1-3. Okay, perfect. 1 point. We're at 30738. Nice entry. Very nice entry. Good job. Joshua, shout out to you. Very nice entry. Good job. I hope you hit TP because we didn't get to play any congratulations song for anybody today. So kind of feels weird. You know what I'm saying? You're right, bro. Everyone in this Discord is helpful and I'm very grateful for that. I didn't have Discord account before. The only reason I opened the Discord is to join your Discord, man. Oh, man, Adib, that's amazing. Shout out to you, man. I really appreciate that. And thank you for that wonderful feedback. We're trying our best to make the Discord. We got a free course coming. We got a lot of stuff. I'm working with the mod to bring in all these features so that the Discord is not only more interactive, it's more beneficial. You guys can learn. All of it's free, right? The free course and all that stuff is all free. So it's going to be fire. Fauci said he entered at 17802. All right. 17802. All right. Let's see how this goes. Just to be on the safe side, I'll do this. That way I have room. Entry price was 1.7802. Nice, Fauci. Nice. Where's your stop loss? I'm assuming it's somewhere above here. I'm assuming. Or maybe you're like K-Dot. K-Dot's stop losses are like this. And he hits like 1 to 30s every day. Oh my gosh. So we'll see. Let's see. 4. Are you going for a 1 to 4? Is that what you're saying, Fauci? And Marcus Adrian put up that. Thank you, Marcus. Appreciate you, brother. So, guys, as you guys can see, right, today's just been a wash of a day. An absolute wash of a day. And to be quite honest with you guys, I'm probably going to hop off in like a bit. Only because, 1, since I came back and the birthday and everything, I've been behind on work, so I got to get back to work. But 2, today's kind of flop. So, I don't want to keep you guys here just doing nothing. But, excuse me, sometimes we kick it and we have fun. So, who knows? We'll see. But I got to hop off soon anyways. But today has just been a bit of a wash. Let me go back to here real quick to check the news. All right, so we have Wednesday FOMC, and then Thursday we have CPI. So yeah, you guys, it's gonna be a hell of a week. It's gonna be a hell of a week, bro. I don't know what the trading is gonna be like this week. I'm also in sales on AUD USD. All right, let's take a look. Let's go AUD USD. All right, you're in sales. Let me get out of this real quick. Okay, nice. Let me take a look at this back here. Why does this look like that? Let me see something here. Oh, I see. This is where we're at. I mean, considering the fact that we've tapped into this strong zone and this might be a fake out, you might actually get a strong push, like a strong push towards the downside. You might, but I'd have to look into this a little more, to give you my thoughts. This has formed here. I would not touch this. I don't like recent gaps. This is better, a little too wide for me in my opinion. So best of luck on that one, man. I hope you crush it. I don't know where you entered on that one, but okay, entry, he just gave it to me. All right, let's see. Entry price was 0.67769. You guys, I think he's back. Bro, when I find this guy, bro, he's finished. He's finished. Bro, nice entry. Nice entry. I don't know where your stop loss is at, but beautiful entry. Beautiful entry. Beautiful entry. Good job. Fauci say yes, sir. Shout out to you, Fauci. I hope you hit it, man. It's going to be fire. 1 to 4. And who else? Who was in GBP? Oh, I think Josh, right? Josh, are you in GBP USD as well? I think this is your trade right here. But you got some good positions going. This one is far better. What's your RR? That's a nice setup. I know where your stop loss is at, but even if it's here, you're almost at a 1 to 3. That's pretty good, man. Pretty good. That fly is a voodoo magician. Yeah, he disappears and then comes back. If I find him, I'm gonna crush him, bro. I don't know how he got in here. There's no flies in my house. And I don't have food in my office. Nothing like that. Like, nothing. It's not one of those. It's just weird. That's weird. All right, guys. So let's talk about some game plan for the week here. Here's where we're at, right? On the account, we're finally above 25K. Okay. So if we're taking a 1 to 2, right, RR each time, in order for us to get to 8R, we would have to take 4 winning trades. Now, technically, from experience, every time this has happened to me, it's only taken me 3 winning trades, because as the account compounds on that last trade, you have enough of it for it to, like, I think you need like a 1 to 2.2 or something like that, and you actually pass the challenge. So we're going to say we need 3 to 4 trades, okay? So we are 3 to 4 trades away, right, from passing the challenge. So what we've got to do is we've got to find, I'm hoping we can find 4 solid opportunities this week so we can capitalize on it and just pass phase 1. Because we're on day, 10 today? So we have 20 more days, and it sounds like a lot of time, but it's not really. I want to pass phase 1 and then pass phase 2 and then get a payout. That's what I want to do to show you guys the whole process. So we need to, you know what I mean? We need to get some stuff going. So this is what we've got to do. Now, if our win rate is 60%, because that's what we've got going on so far, that means out of 10 trades, why do I keep doing that? Out of 10 trades, right, we are going to win 6 W's, 4 L's, okay? So that means we will need, in order for us to pass the challenge, if we get 6 W's equals 12R, and 4 equals 4R, right? So that means we literally have to actually, wow. So statistically speaking, we need to find 10 trades. So I'm going to put here in a perfect world. Okay? Perfect conditions, we need 10 trades. If not, we actually need, sorry, for 3 to 4 trades. If not, we actually need 10 trades realistically. Why can't I spell realistically? Okay, wait. Bro, I can't spell realistically. Realistic. Am I tripping? Oh, there you go. Damn. So realistically, we need 10 trades. In a perfect world, we need 4. 3 to 4. So this is going to be, it's not a tall order per se, but 10 trades in 20 days. That's not fun. That's not fun. All right, we'll see what we can do. Marcus put up the strong emoji. Thank you, Marcus. Cutting yours is better to build it again tomorrow. It's too late for any moves. Got you. Yeah, bro, the bottom line is that today markets are just moving so nasty. Okay, markets are moving very, very nasty. So there's nothing we can really do here. Joshua said he's up 1. Oh, you're up to a 1 to 5? Damn. Okay, so yeah, your stop loss was, Oh, sorry. So your stop loss is probably a little bit. If you're already up a 1 to 5, yeah, that makes sense. Beautiful trade, brother. I have nothing but praise for that. That's proper. That's proper. 1 minute entries are fire. Absolutely. What does the R stand for? Risk to reward. Yes, reward. A deep. All right. Oops. So yeah, man, that's what we have to do. Okay, so we got to really be on our A game. If we take, here's the thing, if we take 4 proper setups, bro, just go full margin on gold, buy right now and pass the challenge in 1 trade. Oh man, bro, I could never bring myself to do that. I don't know what it is. That's one of the things where if that was what was required for me to be a profitable trader, I probably would never be profitable. It's just too difficult for me. I just don't like full margining any setups at all. Let's take a look at gold again. Yeah. No, sir. Nah. It'd be too difficult for me. Too difficult. Very dumb to do. Just joking. Yeah, nah, you're good, bro. You are good. You are good. All right, guys. So, guys, here's where we're at right now. All right. Some of you guys I know joined late, so you haven't been on here for a while, but I've been on here since 9:30. It's about to be 11:30, almost 2 hours. So I'm debating what to do because, guys, the market is dead. The market is dead, and I got work to do. It's 11. So I think I'm going to call it here, guys, to be quite honest. We're going to come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be another day. All right. We'll see what will happen with the account. But I think I'm going to call it. All right, guys. I've enjoyed my time with you guys today, as always, but today we just didn't have any setups. I had 1 trade that I took that I won, but I wasn't even on this account. It was on my futures account. Okay, so yeah, man, I don't know. I think I'm gonna call it, guys. We're gonna let it be for today. There's just nothing else to do. And I enjoy spending time with you guys, but I have to also get the work done. So I'm gonna call it right now, guys. I'm gonna let it be. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. So if you're new, join the Discord. We have the best community on YouTube. Okay, by far. Follow me. This is my Instagram. I'm going to type it out right here. My money. Foreign. All right. Fauci said prop. Yeah, slow market right now. Prop. Futures account. Yeah. It's with Top Step. I had my exams last in a previous giveaway. So bad I missed it. W stream, thank you. Yeah, you guys, the giveaway, I'll announce in the Discord the day and everything. Everybody will get a fair chance. All right. As always, I love each and every one of you guys. Please join the Discord if you're new. Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you beautiful people tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. All right. Don't miss it. Be there or be square. I'm kidding. But I love you guys. All right. You guys